Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to see how to fix TikTok Live option not showing. First of all, it's important to clarify that you can go live on your TikTok using OneStream Live if you at least have 1,000 followers. Also, you have to check if your country allows it. If you do not have access to the live streaming, simply contact TikTok to enable it. First, you will have to open TikTok app on your device. Once you're on the main page, go to your profile, tapping on the bottom right corner. Then, you will have to tap on the three-line icon on the upper right corner, and three options will be displayed. We have to click on Settings and Privacy. After that, a bunch of options will be displayed. Scroll down and click on Report a Problem. On the topics, you will find Live option. Click on it. Then, select the option that says Other Hosting Live Issues. Click and report the problem to TikTok in your own words. And that's all. TikTok will answer you in the next 48 hours with a solution. And that's all, folks. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. See you next time. Goodbye.